In today's video, we'll be comparing LM Studio versus Anything LLM. Now, these tools are getting a lot of attention right now, so let's unpack both, what you get, what it costs, trade-offs, and when you'd pick one over the other. Starting off with LM Studios. LM Studio is an all-in-one kit for local AI on your device. You can run open-weight LLMs locally on Windows, macOS, and Linux. And you can run these open-weight models from sources like Hugging Face and so forth. It supports document chat and RAG, so you can ingest your documents and query them via chat. It also has a GUI-based interface, so you don't need to mess with a lot of different command lines. There's a local server mode as well, plus SDKs, so you can build on top of it. Privacy is actually quite strong here because it runs locally. Data doesn't leave your machine unless you explicitly do so. Now, great news on the pricing side of things, it is free for personal and work use. LM Studios recently made it free for work usage. It used to only be free for personal use. Now, there is an enterprise tier, which you'll have to contact them for pricing, and that adds admin controls, SSO, and private model sharing. So the strengths here are that it's great if you want local interference. You own the workflow, it's low latency if you're using decent hardware as well. There's good model variety on here as well, strong privacy and data controls, and SDK support means you can integrate into other tools or build apps. Now, there are some limitations. Running powerful models locally demands good hardware, always. It's going to underperform on a weaker PC. For document ingestion, RAG, there may be constraints, file size limits, vector DB generation, etc., depending, of course, on your configuration. Also, there'll be less cloud infrastructure or team-hosted features in the base free version. Alright, let's move on to the competition, Anythingllm. So, Anythingllm is an all-in-one AI application. It gives you a desktop app and hosted cloud options. It supports using your own LLMs, allows ingestion of many document types like PDF, Word, CSV, code bases, and supports agents, plugins, and extensions. It has built-in vector databases, embedders, document chat, agent skills, ability to use models from multiple sources, and more. In terms of privacy, it's a very big selling point. It runs locally by default, so you get full control over what is shared. Now, here again on the free side, we have the self-hosted version, which gives you a local use and document handling. However, if you need something more cloud-based, there is the basic plan for individuals at $50 a month. We have the pro version for startups. It's $99 a month. And then lastly, we have the enterprise version, which again, you will need to contact support for this. All right, so let's look at the strengths again here. So it's incredibly flexible. You can use local models or cloud-based ones, connect various providers, switch agents. It has strong document and knowledge base features, ingestion, vector search, so forth, more team and multi-user features with hosted plans, and it's very good for privacy. Now, in terms of limitations, the cloud-hosted version costs money, especially as you scale. Setup for advanced features, agents embedding, connecting local cloud providers may require more technical knowledge, and performance may depend on infrastructure. So let's round it all off. If we're choosing one, and my priorities were privacy, local control, minimal cost, LM Studio would be the way I would lean towards. But if I need team collaboration, easy document chat, knowledge-based features, and flexibility, Anythingllm gives me more of what I need, though at a cost in terms of subscription. Ideally, many people may end up using both. LM Studio as the model server, interference engine, and Anythingllm as the front end or document agent layer, so forth. They integrate really nicely. Guys, thank you so much for watching. For more content like this, hit subscribe. If you found the video useful, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.